Hi, my name is Manjula Padmanabhan, and I'm going to be telling you more about my book, Shrinking Vanita. Delighted to say that Shrinking Vanita is going to be part of the GetLitt Reading Olympiad. In the book, the Earth is going to be destroyed by a killer asteroid in 3 days. Everyone is terrified, but a young girl called Vanita is very sure that she can save the Earth and everyone in it by using her very unusual ability to shrink. Shrinking Vanita is about a 10-year-old girl called Vanita. Vanita has a special gift, which is also a special problem. Whenever she looks at someone in the eyes, she shrinks to half the height of the person she's looking at. For her parents, this seems to be a terrible problem, but Vanita thinks of it as her own superpower. When the Earth is being threatened by a giant asteroid, Vanita sees a chance for her to use her superpower to save the world and everyone in it. I'm sure you'll enjoy reading about Vanita's plan to save the Earth, so hurry up and enroll today.